Hello folks. In this video we are going to learn a little bit more about Angular. Angular is a TypeScript based free and open source web application framework led by Angular team at Google and by a community of individuals and corporations. Well, to put it more simply, Angular is just a simple front-end framework with which you can build client-side websites and applications that run in a web browser. Well, to name a few things, Angular provides a framework for creating scalable web applications based on component-based framework, a set of well-integrated libraries that covers a wide range of functions such as routing, form management, client-server communication, and many more. A set of developer tooling that aids you in development, building, testing, and updation of your code seamlessly. In addition to this, Angular supports several first-party libraries to help us extend functionality in our application. So, before we move any further, let me clarify a distinction between Angular and AngularJS. AngularJS is a framework built on JavaScript, which follows Model View Controller or MVC pattern and is older than Angular. Angular was released as an upgrade to AngularJS and is completely a different framework. Angular is a framework built on TypeScript and follows component and directive based approach and is developed and maintained by Google. This course is on Angular, not on AngularJS. Also, moving forward, I will be referring to the latest version of Angular framework, that is version 13, as Angular. So if you see, Angular was a complete redevelopment of AngularJS, which was an older framework, which also supported front-end web applications, but now is rebuilt and known as Angular. So if you come across AngularJS anywhere online, then it refers to that older version of the framework. And if you come across Angular simply, it probably refers to this latest new Angular 13 framework. Moving on. Few key elements of Angular are components, directives, templates, and services. Components give a defined structure to our application and provide logical separation of code, which in turn helps scalable applications grow properly. Directives are user-defined components which can help in flexibly handling different situations in our application. Templates are the place where you write HTML that drives how the application looks. Finally, coming to services, services or dependency injection provides a meaningful way to manage dependencies in our application and injecting them into components wherever necessary, as well as handling component to component communication, HTTP requests, and many more things. We will look into these in the further videos. If we take a look at this NPM trends chart, we can clearly see a slow yet steady increase in popularity of Angular framework as compared to others like React and Vue. In my personal opinion, React is easier to start out with, but it lacks the completeness that Angular provides. There is a larger dependency on third-party libraries, while Angular, as we already saw, supports most of these natively. Let's look at a few. These are few libraries that Angular supports natively, including Angular Router, Angular Forms, Angular HTTP Client, Animations, PWA or Progressive Web Applications, Schematics, and many more. Patience is the key to understand Angular completely, and the time invested today will pay its dividends later. Let's continue this journey in the next episode where I walk you through some prerequisites to learn Angular. Thank you.